Hey my natural beauties, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I transform this Bantu knot into a beautiful Bantu knot out. I want you guys to keep watching if you guys want to see how I achieve this style. Cute and perfect for summer.
Something about me ambition, keep me on the money mission. Believe na me dreams, me believe na the vision. Now when me 30 mil me fi sit down, na just me ambition. Ambition, keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition, ambition. Yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
Alright guys, so we are starting off on hair that is dirty, hair that is colored and dry and more on the brittle side. You guys would have seen my previous hair tutorial where I colored my hair. If you haven't seen it, the link will be on the screen and in the description bar. So right now we're just gonna kind of get this hair together, alright? This collaboration today will be with a brand called JahMek Beauty Systems, which is a umbrella brand for the brand Wow. And it's going to be utilizing all these products that you guys see on the screen. So first to begin, I'm going to be misting my hair down with some water from a spray bottle. This is going to give me something to work with since I won't be doing the shampoo like a regular shampoo. This is for demonstrative purposes only. So I'm going to section off my hair into smaller sections so it's easier to work with. The first product I'm going in with is the Honey and Almond Shampoo from JahMek Beauty Systems, and the brand is called Wow. I'm going to be squeezing a bit of this into my hand and then applying it to each section, making sure that I lather properly and I scrub the debris away from my scalp. It smells amazing, guys. I have a lot of buildup due to the fact that I colored my hair and my scalp is extra dry. So just make sure you go in there and just lather up and scrub your scalp properly. This product smells amazing and it has a lot of slip for a shampoo. It's not too drying and I just love the way it smells. This shampoo is also designed to cleanse, moisturize, and soften your hair. And you know, typical shampoos just get it clean, but it doesn't keep it soft, and this shampoo definitely does that. Once I'm done lathering, I'm gonna rinse that out. The next step is to slightly towel dry my hair, but I'm going to be going in with another product. Now after my wash, this is how my hair looks, and as you guys can see, my curls are still popping. So I'm gonna go in with the conditioner, which is the same Honey and Almond conditioner, and this product definitely hydrates and conditions your hair. Now I love this conditioner because it does have a lot of slip, which means it makes the process of detangling easier if that's exactly what you're going for. Now all I do is apply this to each section, and I'm going to go in with a wide tooth comb just to kind of get the hair detangled, and I will be detangling in steps, but this is definitely the first part. So it's always easier to work with sections. It makes the process a lot faster. And make sure you're using a wide tooth comb and collect all that shed hair just so you can analyze how much hair you may have lost during a period. As long as it's not too much, we're on the safe side. So I'm just twisting up each section as I go along to keep it out of the way. Now you guys see those curls? Like everything is nice over here. My curls are popping, and that definitely means my hair loves these products. So I just want to stress how important these products are for persons with natural hair. The Pure and Natural line was definitely designed to keep your natural hair in check and make it look its best at all times. And that definitely applies whether your hair is colored or in its completely natural state. After rinsing that out, I'm going to go in with the cholesterol cream. This product can be used as a detangler and a deep conditioning treatment. It's also great for keeping your hair thoroughly moisturized when you're about to heat style. So I'm coating my hair from roots to tips, and I'm making sure that everything is properly coated, and I'm going to go in and slightly detangle once more with that wide tooth comb. I just want to make sure I get all the knots and bumps out of my hair. Now you guys see my curls are popping. Ow! And my curls are popping, guys. So I'm going to be securing my hair into a ponytail, and I'm going to deep condition for 10 to 15 minutes by putting a steam cap over my hair. After rinsing that out, this is how my hair looks, and the shrinkage has begun, and now it's time to style. So I'm going in with the castor oil treatment, and it's mixed with Jamaican black castor oil. So this is like a hair grease type of formula, and I'm applying that all over my hair, just rubbing it in my palm and making sure I try to coat as much of my hair as possible, concentrating mainly on my ends and the roots at the front. So now for my bantu knots, I'm just gonna make some medium-sized sections and twist the hair down. Make sure all the sections have the castor oil hair treatment on it so that you'll have something to kind of give your curls a bit of definition. This is going to be our defining product. So after twisting down, you're just gonna wrap the hair around itself. Everybody knows how to create bantu knots or shiny bumps, right? And I'm gonna secure these with some rubber bands. Be sure to make sure that the section is moisturized, or it won't be able to hold that product and dry in place. Once I'm done making all my knots, I'm going to go in and moisturize my scalp. Now I'm going to be mixing all these 3 oils, vitamin E oil, aloe vera oil, and virgin coconut oil, all from the brand Wow, and I'm going to be making a DIY treatment. Now all I did was to put all these oils in this applicator bottle, and I'm going to just apply that oil to my scalp. Be sure to give it a really good shake to allow all the oils to merge together. Now this oil mix smells great. It's perfect for keeping your scalp and your hair moisturized when you have a protective style in, or just in general. Hey my natural beauties. Okay, so this is going to be the explanatory part of my video, guys. I'm going to be explaining every single thing that I just did, that I just used, in a little bit more detail, so you guys can kind of understand a little better all that just went down. Now my hair is in these bantu knots, all right? I do these 2 little things to kind of protect my edges, because you guys might have realized my edges are thinning. I'm planning to fade this side to match this side, but that's a whole nother story. All right, so it's a quick little summer protective style, something that is very simple. Everybody knows for the shiny bump, right? Bantu knots is the official name. So I just decided to do this protective style. Now I'm really passionate about these products. I want you guys to check these out right quick. All right, so this brand is called Wow, and it's under an umbrella brand called JahMek's Beauty Systems. Now this is Jamaican owned, right? Now this is why this is very special to me. So I was sent a couple products, and I'm gonna go through other products that I got, right? Okay, so this is the honey and almond line. I think this is, all these products are from their pure and natural line, so all 100% natural products. So from the oils to the shampoo and everything, it's all natural. So this is the honey and almond moisturizing conditioner. Now I will be showing you guys close-ups of everything. My ring light is on in this. I will be showing you guys close-ups of everything, but this is the conditioner, and of course you guys know the conditioner and the shampoo, you know, they come together. All right, now let me tell you guys, these 2 products smell good enough to eat, like yummy. Like the almond is very, very, very pronounced in these 2 scents. Very, very nice. Now I would have talked about the properties of these products while applying them, so that would be in the voiceover portion, but I just want to tell you guys I love these. Now let's talk about the shampoo and then talk about the conditioner. The shampoo lathers very well, as you guys can see in the video. It lathers very well. You don't need a lot, which I did not know, honestly. I went in with a lot at first, and then I realized, but I don't need all of this, you know what I mean? So then I decided to use a little bit less as I went through the rest of my hair. So this a little goes a very long way. Conditioner, not so much, as you guys can see, because I am practically almost half the bottle and I only used it once. But you guys know how it is with natural hair and conditioner. We need that stuff, okay? So that's the reason why I use so much, but it was very good to me. These 2, bomb. All right, so I really want to get to my favorite part, which is the oils, right? before I do that, I'm going to talk about the other two products. Next, I'm going to be talking about the cholesterol cream, right, which would be the second set of products, I guess you can say, the second batch of what I had applied to my hair. Now, everybody knows hair cholesterol. Now, what this does, it works as a deep conditioning treatment, and if I were to go ahead and heat dry my hair, it also acts as a heat protectant. Now, I'm going to allow my Bantu knots to air dry. I'm going to pull these out in probably 3 days or so that they can really get some time to just like set in there. Of course, this restores shine and maintains moisture in your hair. Now, once again, all these products are from the Pure and Natural line. All right, this next product is the castor oil treatment. Now, I used this in my last hair tutorial. It was a smaller size, but I got the bigger size, and I'm so happy because this is literally the best grease you will ever use. Now, it has castor oil in there, of course, which is very good for your moisture and also softness, and this right here is a must-have, right? So I'm going to be getting to my favorite parts, and the part that I am most excited about, which is the oils. Right, I got oils in my hand right now. I can do anything I want with these oils because they are 100% natural, and they're not just for your hair. So as you guys can see, based on watching the video, you guys will see I went ahead and did a DIY oil mix, right, with these oils that I featured in the video. So I got the vitamin E oil, the coconut oil, and I got the aloe vera oil. Guys, this smells so great, but not to mention this, the coconut oil boo. The coconut oil boo is my favorite. Like, I feel like I can just like chug this, like drink it. It smells so good. So what you want to know is when you're ready to take like your protective styles down and stuff like that, I'd recommend using this. Just put a little bit in your palm to kind of, you know, warm it up in your palms a little bit so that it reduces the frizz when you're taking your styles down. All right, so this is the natural hair and scalp therapy. You can use these, the whole combination, for a nice hot oil treatment. If you're going to be deep conditioning and you want to pair that with a hot oil treatment, you can definitely do that using these oils. They also have a castor oil and pimento version, and the packaging kind of looks the same. Love all of them, like all of them, and all of these are good for your hair and your skin, and that's what makes it so awesome. So whenever I'm done applying my product to my hair and whatever, if I get up and I decide I just want to use this on my skin, I very well can. You just give it a good little shake and you're good to go. Now, the applicator bottle, of course, makes it very easy for when you're putting it on your scalp, and I will use this as a daily moisturizer, right? And the oil itself is very light. It's not heavy. I did put on a lot, and usually oils tend to do the draining thing, you know, drip all the way down your neck, and it's not running down on me because it's not heavy. It's not heavy. These oils are very, very light. It's not heavy at all. So that's another plus. So what I am happy about is I got 2 of these, right? I got 2 of these, which is the cholesterol hair cream, and it's just a deep conditioning treatment, as I told you guys. I'm wondering if I want to give one of these away. I might just do a little mini giveaway. I want you guys to just drop me a nice little comment in the comment section and just tell me what your favorite thing about yourself is, and I'm just gonna randomly choose one person and give this away. I'm gonna zip mail it. So I'd prefer if you were in Jamaica, it would be easier if I could just zip mail it to you. I want somebody to try this because these products are totally bomb. Okay, the info for all these products is going to be in the description bar. All the links to the brand's website and everything that you need is going to be in the description bar below. I want you guys to go down there and check out the information. So as I said, I'm going to keep this style in for at least 3 days, and then I'm gonna see what's up when I take these down. I should have a really nice voluminous curly afro situation going on, and I'm of course going to insert that so you guys can see it. But thanks so much for watching this video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. All the brand information will be in the description bar. I want you guys to go ahead and check out these products. Don't forget to drop your comment down below. Tell me what your favorite thing about yourself is, so you can get this extra jar of cholesterol that I have. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.